Great, I'm gonna be stuck behind this dump truck. Let's see if I can pass him here. It's not enough room. But look at this, he's going for it. That's a pretty fast dump truck. I actually don't know why people want to modify this car and add power. It has enough power. The engine's very responsive. And the only thing I didn't like when I was riding along in it, the road noise was pretty loud. When cars go by you in the rain, you hear the whooshing of the rain and the tire of the other car. But when I'm driving, I don't even notice it because I'm busy with the inputs of the car and shifting gears. The gear shift is a bit notchy. It's not like an S2000 or a Miata. And this is the 2-liter engine. This is a 2019. And there's a lot of these right now on the market for cheap. There's a big price gap between older ones, higher mileage ones. But they're well built. They seem to be well built. Handles awesome. Honestly, these cars, I would leave them the way it is. Most people, when they modify cars, they actually ruin them. But this is a nice package. One reason why I wouldn't buy this car is when I clutch, my thigh hits the steering wheel, and I've adjusted everything, but it still happens from time to time, so it's just a thing to consider.